Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That. I know we've done smash burgers before, but we love them so much I'm going to keep doing them and doing different variations. Let's get it. Let's start with a special sauce that I like to make for my burgers. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to add some ketchup, maybe 1 tablespoon, maybe half a tablespoon of mustard. I like it a little bit spicier, so I add some horseradish. And then some dill pickle relish. If you don't have relish, just chop up some pickles. Then we're gonna mix all of this together. And this is gonna go on our buns. I have my griddle on high on the left 3 burners, and I have my press already on the griddle so that it'll heat up. It doesn't need to be as hot as the griddle, but a warm press doesn't stick. The first step for most meals on the griddle is to add some oil. My favorite is BaconUp. It's real bacon fat, sold in stores. You can find the link in my bio in the Amazon storefront. So I add some BaconUp and smear it around where I'm gonna press my burgers down. You need your griddle to be about 450 to get a good sear on these burgers. If you're just learning your griddle, it's nice to have a surface thermometer. I'm at about 470, which is totally fine. I don't use that often anymore, but it is nice to have for when you're getting started. So we're gonna take about 4-ounce patties, stick them on the griddle, and smash them flat. Parchment paper helps keep them from sticking, but if your smasher is warm, they shouldn't stick either. Some people like to throw down onions and then smash their burger into it. So I have some thin sliced onions here, and we're just gonna take our burger, hold it down for a few seconds after we smash, and then repeat the process again. Things happen really fast when you're cooking smash burgers. These are getting close to being ready to flip. You can see the grease rising through them. You'll see the edge start to get a little crispy, and that means it's getting close to time to flip. All right, I'm gonna make sure I get a nice sharp edge under there and scrape them off and flip them. Bringing you in for a quick look here. You're looking for that nice crust on the back of your burgers. Immediately put your cheese on. I have some thin sliced cheddar today. I use thin slice because I'm putting a cheese on each patty, and I'm doing 2 patties per burger. The first 2 patties are done, so I'm gonna take them off, and then we'll get the ones with the onions flipped over. If you don't want to smash your burger into the onions, go ahead and throw them on the griddle, add a little bacon up to them, and toss them around to get them nice and caramelized. I seasoned my meatballs today with the Lane's Barbecue Scorpion Steak Combo Seasoning. It's gone good on everything I've put it on so far. I'm not sponsored by them. They did send me this for free, but it's just awesome, so I'm gonna support them. After just a couple of minutes, these burgers are done also. It's now time for one of the essential parts of a good burger, and that's toasting the bun. So if you have enough grease left over from your burgers, you can use that. If you don't, you can add some more BaconUp. I'm just gonna take my buns. These are sweet Hawaiian style buns. I'm just gonna lay them face down on this oil. Let them get nice and toasty. Check out that perfect golden brown. If you've seen my burger videos, you know I like a variety of different things on burgers, but I'm gonna get some of this sauce on here and actually put it on top and bottom bun. I'm going to get my double stack of burgers with cheese, some of these caramelized onions, and if you really like pickles, you can add some more. I'm not a numbers guy as much as a coverage guy, so I'm gonna put 3 on here so it covers the whole thing, and then top it, and it looks amazing. So let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.